Alright YouTube, so welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and that's a wireless microphone. It's a K9 that you've seen before, and this thing is quite good in budget price for the beginner YouTuber and vlogger and all. So that's the microphone itself, and that's the receiver. You just need to plug the receiver into the mobile phone and just turn this thing on, pressing this button. Here you can see light is there. So when the receiver is connected to the mobile phone, then the blinking will be stopped and you can see only green light right there. That's the thing. And in today's video I'm gonna open this thing and check what's inside of it. So quickly let's turn this off. And first remove this foam cover. So now this is just a notch type joint, both the part, top and bottom. So I just need to put something like a flathead screwdriver inside of it and twist it, then it will open up. So let me do that. Alright, so here you can see this is open now. That's the one part, and that's another part. Here you can see the brackets for the notches. Four brackets are there, so that's how it's connected to the other part. So side of this is the main kit. So that's the kit, and this is the battery wrapped up in a yellow tape like that. And here you can see that's the push type button to turn it on and off, and that's the type C socket for charging the battery. And there, that's the microphone. It's totally metal, and the battery is connected here. That's the connector, so you can remove the connection like there. And it's like that. So that's how you can replace the battery. And on the other side you can see, so that's the main processor chip, and some other SMD tiny components are there. So that's the basic thing. So now let me connect the battery again. And now press this button to turn this thing on. And here you can see the light is there. It's blinking red and green. When it's connected to the phone, then the green light will be stopped and the red will be gone. That's it. Now let's check the receiver. I have already removed the notches, and that's the top cover. And surprisingly, the receiver kit is very small. Here you can see, I was expecting the kit would be like covering the whole casing right there. So I don't know what is the use of making this bigger enclosure casing when the main thing is that much small. Okay, anyway, so that's the kit, and that's the main receiver chip right there, and some other SMD components are there, and also one LED light is there too. So that's it, and that's also type C connector. So that's it. That's the inside of the K9 wireless microphone.